Bonjour. Today we are going to explore Haitian Creole tongue twisters. You know the thing about tongue twisters? They are very easy to read, but when it comes to master them or read them fast enough or say them fast enough, it's a whole new ball game. So we are going to see if Haitian tongue twisters are hard or easy to say. Alright, I have written here three tongue twisters on my phone, so we are going to read the first one. It says, Anba plen frère pyan. So that would translate as the soul of brother Peter is full of yows. So let's say it slowly, then let's ramp up the speed. Slowly. Anba plen pyan. Easy enough, right? Now let's go fast. En bas, plan pied, fois pied, plan pied, en bas, plan, en bas, plan pied, fois pied, plan. Deep breath. I can do this. En bas, plan pied, fois. En bas, plan pied, fois pied, plein plan. En bas, plan pied, fois pied, plein plan. En bas, plan pied, fois pied, plein pied. En bas, plan pied, fois pied, plein pied. En bas, plan pied, fois. Never mind. En bas, plan pied, fois pied, plein pied. En bas, plan pied, okay. Move on. The next one is Kochon qui gen lanpa paka manje kann anana. So basically pigs who have mouth disease cannot eat sugarcane. Kochon qui gen lanpa paka manje kann anana. Kochon qui gen lanpa paka manje kann anana. Kochon qui gen lanpa paka manje kann anana. Kochon qui gen lanpa. I got this one. Kochon qui gen lanpa paka. Okay, I thought I got it. Kochon qui gen lanpa paka manje kann anana. Kochon qui gen lanpa paka. Cochon qui gagne la papa ka manger kanana, cochon qui gagne la papa ka manger kanana, cochon qui gagne la papa ka manger kanana. I got it. 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 Okay, next one. Poul blanc qui gagne pyan paka pran piki. That looks easy. Slowly. Poul blanc qui gagne pyan paka pran piki. So basically foreign chicken who has mouth disease should not be vaccinated or cannot be vaccinated. Poul blanc qui gagne pyan paka Poul blanc qui Poul blanc qui gagne pyan paka pran piki. Poul blanc qui gagne pyan paka. Anyway, too hard. I thought I would share them with you. You should give them a try and see if you can say them fast enough and correctly. In any case, if you want to hear more of those tongue twisters, let me know.